Works cited. The purpose of a works cited list is to display the sources that were used for a project. Showcasing the sources that were used allows others to locate the original sources themselves. In addition, a works cited list gives credit to the original authors of the works that were consulted for a project. Works cited lists are typically found at the very end of a project. The last page of a research paper, the final slide of a presentation, and the last screen of a video are all appropriate places to display a works cited list. Each source is displayed in a special format called a citation. This video explains how to create citations for the works cited page. Citations are listed in alphabetical order by the first word in the citation, which is typically the last name of the author. If you are unable to get any details like page number or year of publication, instead you can write within brackets N.D, as you can see at the end of the fourth entry in Works Cited. First we will see how to include details of books in Works Cited. If there is a book by a single author, author's second name first, comma, first name, period, name of the book in italics, period, publisher, comma, year of publication, period. If the details of the book run to the second line, indent the second line half an inch, what we call hanging indent, and arrange the whole items in works cited in alphabetical order. This is called hanging indent. Look at second and third line. If there is a book by two authors, this is the way: first author's second name first, comma, first name, period, comma, then you write and, then write the second author's name without interchanging the position of the two names, period, name of the work in italics, period, publisher, comma, year of publication, period. When there are two or more sources with the same author, only include the author's name in the first citation. In the second or subsequent citations, use 3 hyphens in place of the author's name followed by a period, and arrange all the items of that particular author as per alphabet. Here is an example. The author's name is Nicholas Sparks. So second name first, Sparks, comma, Nicholas, period. A Walk to Remember is the name of the work, which is written in italics, period, name of the publisher, comma, year of publication. Second work also of the same writer. So instead of repeating the author's name, you can put 3 hyphen, after that period, work's name in italics, period, publisher, comma, year of publication, period. When there are 3 or more authors for a work, include only the first author's name. Write the first author's name in reverse order, last name, comma, and then the rest of the name as it appears on the source. After the first author's name, add a comma and write et al. This is a Latin term meaning and others, period, name of the work in italics, period, publisher, comma, year of publication, period. If your source is a translated work, this is a way. Translator's name in reverse order, after that a comma, then you write translator in lowercase, period, name of the work in italics, period. After that, the name of the original writer. You can write like this: by, then name of the original writer without interchanging its positions. So take comma, publisher, comma, year of publication, period. If the work is an edited one, editor's name in reverse order, put a comma, then write editor in lowercase, period, name of the work in italics, period, publisher, comma, year of publication, period. If it is an anonymous work, start the citation with the name of the book, followed by name of the publisher and year of publication. In the case of research, articles are of high importance. If you are quoting from an article in a journal, in the work cited section, you can include the details like this: author's last name, comma, first name, period, title of the article in quotation marks, period, name of the journal in italics, period, publication information. You can see an example. John Stevens is the writer. When a leadership opportunity knocks, answer is the title of the article, which is put in quotation mark. Library Media Connection is the name of the journal, which is written in italics, followed by publication information. An article in a newspaper. Author's last name, comma, first name, period, title of the article in quotation marks, period, title of the newspaper in italics, comma, date of publication, comma, page number, period. You may see this example. Cristobal Tumola is the name of the writer. NYC developers seek to justify high prices with new amenities. Title of the article, New York Times, name of the newspaper, followed by date of publication and page number. Encyclopaedia and Dictionary. Author's last name, comma, first name, period, title of the article in quotations, period, title of encyclopedia in italics, period, date, period. Example is given below. Charles Swanson. Birds of Prey is the title of the article. It is from Encyclopaedia Britannica, year 2010. There are enough opportunities to conduct research on movies. If you are doing like that, this is a way to record its details in work cited. First, title of the movie in italics, period, directed by, then you write the name of the director, comma, performance by, then include the name of the leading actors and actresses, comma, production company, comma, year of release of that movie, period. If it is a TV show, name of the performer at the beginning, Sarah Jessica Parker, put a comma and write the role, actress, period, name of the program in italics, period, production company, comma, year, period. Regarding sources from a website, as usual, place the author's name in reverse order, last name first, add a comma, and then the first name followed by a period. The title of the web page or article is placed in quotation marks with a period before the end quotation. The title of the website is written in italics, followed by a comma. If the name of the publisher differs from the name of the website, include it after the title. Immediately following the publisher is the date that the page or article was published or posted. Finally, end with the URL. The URL is the website's address. Look at this example. Lori White is the name of the writer. The newest face in People Helping People Little Free Pantries is the name of the article. Upworthy is the name of the website. Cloud Tiger Media is a publisher. followed by date of publication. At the end, the website's address. In the case of interview, begin with the name of the person who was interviewed. Write the details in reverse order. Period. Interview by. Then write the name of the person who conducted that interview. Period. Then title of that program in italics. Period. Platform. Period. Place. Period. Date. Period. Radio. If it is on radio, put a period. Ebook found on a website. Author's last name, first name, period. Title of the ebook in italics, period. Publisher, year of publication, period. URL. Ebook found on an e-reader. E-readers are electronic devices that display e-books. Kindles and Nooks are some of the more popular e-readers available today. Individuals can purchase or borrow e-books and read them on their e-readers. Structure of a citation from an e-book found on an e-reader is like this. Author's last name, first name, period. Title of the ebook in italics, period. Name of e-reader device, publisher, year of publication, period. If you are using an image found on a website, creator's last name, first name, period. Title of the digital image in quotations, period. Title of the website in italics, first name, last name of any contributors, version if applicable, number if applicable, name of the publisher, publication date, URL, period. Here is an example. Laura Gilpin is the creator. Terraced Houses, Acoma Pueblo, New Mexico is the title of the image, followed by name of the website in italics and other details, and at the end, URL. Social media nowadays has an inevitable role in the dissemination of knowledge. We will see how to record if we collect something from social media in the work cited section. Tweets, Twitter handle, period. Text of the tweet in quotations, period. Twitter in italics, period. Day, month, year, time of tweet, web address, period. It begins with Twitter handle, period. Text of the tweet in quotations, period. Twitter in italics, June 1st, 2016. Date, month, year, time of tweet 8:30 a.m., URL. Blog post, details of the blogger, last name first, first name, period. Title of the blog post in quotations, period. Blog title in italics, date of post, web address, period. The details begin with the name of the blogger, second name, first name. Title of the blog post, volunteering with NYC Department for the Aging, which is put in quotations, period. Blog title, New York Public Library in italics, date of post, 29 June 2016, web address, period. Online video, title of the video in quotations, period. Honor or organization, date of post, hosting platform in italics, web address, period. Good Times is the title of the video. NDTV is the owner or organization. 25th August 2019, date of the post. Z is the hosting platform, followed by web address. Citing a podcast, last name, comma, first name, period, title of the episode in quotations, period, title of podcast in italics, comma, season, comma, episode, comma, publisher, comma, date published, comma, web address, period. It's by Henry Woods. Title of the episode is So Long, which is put in quotations. Title of podcast is Ear Hustle, followed by season, episode, publisher, date published, and web address. Electronic mail, name of the recipient, period, within quotations, subject line of email, period, name of the sender, period, date of sending the mail, period. Example is given with relevant items included. YouTube video, title of the video in quotations, period, YouTube in italics, comma, uploaded by, comma, date, month, year, comma, web address, period. Title of the video is How to add pop-up text in iMovie, which is put in quotations, period, YouTube in italics, uploaded by MacMost Video, comma, date, month, year, 22nd November 2002, comma, and web address. If you make use of a Facebook post, last name, comma, first name, period, within quotations, first several words of the post, period, Facebook in italics, comma, date of posting, comma, time of posting if available, comma, web address, period. This Facebook post is by James Baldwin. Amazon Waterfalls is the Facebook post title. Facebook in italics, 10 May 2009 is the date of posting. Time is not available, so it is not included there, comma, web address, period. Once you complete your work cited, it will look like this. All the entries should be arranged as per alphabet. Thank you.